Hey, we're live. Good mornings, 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. I'm Greg Mester, Scrum Master and Agile Coach. Hope you're doing well. Get a little warning. So when you ring the little bells, you get little warnings on your emails and your phones that says, hey, we went live. It's about 7:54. This is our 628th episode of the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show. Today I want to talk about product owner mastery. I should put the title mastery. And the other day we did 5 things that Scrum Masters can do to help their product owners look good. And I just wanted to talk about little mastery level, like the next level of a product owner and related to a Scrum team. So it's going to be a short show and everything like that. And I'm Greg Mester, Scrum Master and Agile Coach. Here on the 5 a.m. Mester Scrum Show, we talk about Agile and Scrum in a practical and tactical way so you can get value to your customer, not work crazy hours. Get home to family and friends, have some fun, and enjoy life. Enjoy life at work. Enjoy life at home, right? So why did I want to? I don't know. Everybody spends so much time on stuff that's not related to the product owner. I just wanted to do a couple episodes related to product owner and what they go through. Because until you get the product owner to transform and what they do, you're going to be one of those 5-6 year plus companies transforming your business. People think, oh, we'll just get the IT people to transform. Yeah, but it's not going to get what you want, right? So what are we talking about? So product owner mastery. So yesterday I talked about 5 things to help product owner out, and they were do a prioritization session with the product owner so they know what is priority. Close out the sprint earlier, a day or so you know how many stories are there, what's left, what needs or does not need to be transformed. Gives your product owner an idea what the velocity is so they don't put more stories in than necessary for the team. If you're not going to get all your stories done, identify which ones are not going to go in and have an honest conversation with your team, right? So they know. Have a definition ready so that the product owner feels comfortable with giving stuff to the team, because no one likes giving something to somebody and then they say they can't use it. And definition done. So once the work is done and the product owner goes back to business and their customers, that they can say it's done and that we can go to production with it whenever we're ready, right? So those are the 5 things that you can do to make them look better. But today I want to talk about 2 things that makes more of a product owner a master at the craft. First thing I want to talk about is micro reviews. Got to get your product owners comfortable with little micro reviews, not these 1 hour, 2 hour reviews, but little micro reviews during the sprint with the developers to see either stuff in development phases or wherever. Maybe if you're doing a layout with multiple metrics on it or graphs or pictures and stuff, each one of those graphs pictures becomes a little micro review. As soon as it's done, share it with the customer. It doesn't need to be a 2-hour review every time. At the end, you can do a review with stakeholders and things like that, and that's a different thing. Little micro reviews or get the product owner to approve where you are, breaking the stories into smaller bits so you can see how you're doing along the burn down chart and burn down and get feedback, micro feedback loops with the developers. So that's really important. And then the other thing is, get, like I said, the product owner comfortable with smaller and smaller products, right? They think they're so busy, they don't have time to look at things. But if you make the reviews smaller, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, just have them jump on it, looks good, get some feedback, play with it, you're good. You want to get your product owner to write smaller and smaller stuff, right? So that they can review it and approve it as you go. The larger stuff, the less happiness you're going to have on your team. So the 2 things: 1, do micro reviews and get the product owner comfortable with smaller and smaller items in their product line that they can use and reuse in various places. So those are the 2 things. If you get those 2 things going with your product owner, your team will cook faster than any other team that you have in your organization. Just telling you now. So those are the 2 master capabilities of product owner. And they said, what's that, Greg? They have to get comfortable with smaller bits. Sometimes they're not. And the smaller bit is not I moved data from some place to another. They shouldn't care about that. That's what I have for today. I wanted to share that with you. Hope you enjoy your Monday. Please give us a thumbs up. Remember, 2 things: micro reviews and smaller stories. Oh, blew my ear out. Ring the bell if you want, so you get notified when we do the show again. And have a happy Monday, happy scrumming, and see you tomorrow. Take care and bye.